Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to use the Kanban board in Zoho Project. This powerful tool can help streamline your project management and keep your team on track. So let's get started. First off, you'll want to access your project's workspace. To do this, click on the relevant project from your dashboard. This is crucial because it is where all your project's tasks and activities are managed. Now that we're in the project workspace, look for the Tasks tab at the top of the page and click on it. This takes you to your project's task list, the heart of your project management. The reason we do this is to access the Kanban board view. Next up, you'll want to switch from the default list view to the Kanban view. Just above your task list, you'll find a drop-down menu. Select Kanban from this menu. This shift helps us because the Kanban view offers a visual representation of tasks, making it easier to manage workloads and progress. Once you're in the Kanban view, you'll see your tasks laid out in columns, each representing a different stage in your workflow. Now, the magic of Kanban comes into play. You can drag and drop tasks from one column to another to update their status. This step is important because it allows you to track the progress of tasks visually and makes managing your workflow a breeze. But let me explain why this matters. The Kanban board is more than just a task tracker. It's a visual tool that helps you see bottlenecks in your workflow, balance your team's workload, and ensure nothing slips through the cracks. So understanding how to use it effectively can significantly improve your project management skills. The last step is to customize your Kanban board to suit your specific project needs. To do this, click on the Settings icon in the upper right corner of the board and select Customize Board. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Zoho Project is giving you the power to define your own workflow stages so you can tailor your board to reflect your project's unique process. And that's it. You've mastered the basics of using the Kanban board in Zoho Project. This tool is a game changer for project management, and I'm sure you'll find it invaluable in keeping your projects on track and your team in sync. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video.